Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Lido Benza, the author of this book, Get Wisdom, Not Money. During 10 years of deep research, I found out the key of success is not to get money. The key is to collect information. We are living in these days, in this age, with great fertility, with great opportunity to be whatever you intend to do, to be. Of course, wisdom. What does it mean, wisdom? Wisdom is the good application of knowledge in order to create good and service to the customer. If you find a way how to collect information and you know how to provide a service, a product to help people, of course, people will be excited and they will buy your product. And this book is not don't need a reference or endorsement from someone because it's the collections of more than 100 successful people and those who are in the top of success, because it took me 10 years night and day to figure out why majority of people are broken around the world. We have more than 8 billions around the world. People are struggling, but only 1% of people are wealth. They get so success, they create a project. In order to succeed in life, it is necessary to find a way how to create a product. If you find a way how to create a product of your own imagination, you will see people find out how to buy your product. Well, I see in this book many experience. Also, I spoke already about the creations of the first telephone. Now we see many companies take advantage of the first man who created the first telephone. This man is called, let's see, who created the telephone. His name was Alexander Graham Bell, the first telephone. Now we see, people never imagine from the telephone you can see a movie, and it was because someone so jumped from the comfort zone and he said, it is over, I need to do something to communicate. Well, we see the story also, the aeroplane, the first aeroplane only carried only one person, but now we see 400 people inside the aeroplane. Why? Because Wright brothers, they decided not to obey what the pessimist people did, because some people are negative all the time saying, oh no, it is impossible. Please don't believe in this word impossible, because all things is possible if you believe. Thank you. Go to Amazon and find this book, will change your life forever. Thank you.